Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and thank you all so very much for coming back for another real life motivational cleaning video. If you're new to my channel, I hope you like this video enough to give it a thumbs up and to hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. So me and my living room / main room have like this love-hate relationship. Like, it's where we all meet together and watch TV, or we just talk to each other in it. But with that brings like a bunch of clutter, so it's always a mess. But enough chit chat, let me go ahead and let you all enjoy this video.
If you get to know me, you see I'm way more than nice.
So right here, I'm just clearing the desk area, and I'm getting rid of like a whole bunch of old papers, and I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it down with my Method Wood for Good polish.
Everyone's known it's only you and I. Looks like we'll be staying up all night. Time to play what you say. I'm here for you. I'm working overtime. I'm more than 9 to 5. Come on, let your clothes drop down to the floor. I wanna see you moving slowly to the music. We'll be dimming the lights, then lock the door.
I'm using a water and vinegar mix on my TV, and I also used it on the monitor screen.
Little DM, trying to make some plans. Trying, baby. Maybe later in the PM. Hope that you will understand. I think that if you get to know.
You guys, I don't even know why I even have a shoe rack right by the door where everyone can put their shoes, because as you all can see, they do not. They just throw them around the shoe rack. It's so insane.
So everyone's known it's only you and I. Looks like we'll be staying up all night. Up all night. Time to play what you say. I'm here for you. I'm working overtime. I'm more than 9 to 5. Baby. Ooh. I'm more than just 9 to 5. Everyone's known it's only you and I. You and I. Looks like we'll be staying up all night. Time to play what you say. I'm here for you. I'm working overtime. I'm more than 9 to 5. Yeah. Everyone's known it's only you and I. Oh, looks like we'll be staying up all night. You up all night. Time to play what you say. I'm here for you. I'm working overtime. More than 9 to 5. More than 9 to 5, baby. Yeah. Come on.
Baby, I'm not running around looking for nobody else. I've got one thing.
So to finish up in my living room, I'm just going to go ahead and run a vacuum. And if you found this video motivating or enjoyed watching me clean, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up and maybe share it with a friend or two that may need some cleaning motivation. If you want to see more videos like this, then hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell, because I do post a cleaning video at least once a week. But I'll talk to you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.
Victim of love calling out to